Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's topic is about vegetables. So how important is vegetable in your daily lifestyle? Let's say you want to lose fat. The most important thing you need to include in your diet is vegetables. You have to eat it along with your every meal. Let's say dinner, lunch, snack, morning snack, or something evening snack. You have to add it because vegetables has a lot of nutrients. It has minerals, fibers, and then you have vitamins, protein, fat, that is healthy fat, and then carbs, all those things which are very helpful to lose weight. So the main benefit of vegetable is that it can fill your stomach, but it has less calories. So you have to include it in your diet every day. So do that. Include at least 400 to 500 grams of vegetable in your daily lifestyle, because I said you that it has a lot of nutrients and helps you lose fat. So vegetables you can include in your diet are, you can add beans, you can add broccoli, you can add onion, then you have tomato, then you have peas, spinach, broccoli, red cabbage, white cabbage, all those things. There are a lot of vegetables. You can have it every day along with your diet, because it keeps your body clean from inside, also from your mind. So remember that you see a lot of people in Western countries, they have started adopting vegan diet, because if you adopt vegan diet, that will help you live more longer compared to the meat and other diet. So I'm not telling you that you can completely turn into vegan, but try to eat vegetables, because that is the, I can see a lot of people skip their meal because they want to lose fat. That is very wrong. That's a myth. You don't have to skip your meal. Instead of that, you can add a bowl of vegetable along with in your diet. So that is very helpful to lose fat. Don't skip your meal. That is very wrong. And also you can see that a lot of people don't eat vegetables in their everyday lifestyle. They have basic vegetables like tomato, onion, or some coriander, all those things. I know that are very good, but you have to add green vegetables more rather than any other vegetables, because that will help you lose fat. And also start eating vegetables from today. That is very important. It will keep your body clean from inside, also from your mind. And if this video gets 25 likes, I'll make a video along how to make a healthy and tasty vegetable salad. That's it. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Done.